Hi all, Salvatore back here again, and this is something that I have a passion for, that we see a lot of it. A lot in young people. And why? I say it's lifestyle. Dandruff, flaky scalp. Why? They come to you because they've got this problem. We sell them a shampoo, but they don't change their lifestyle. The shampoo would only hopefully clean the scalp, and it's a medicated shampoo which will exfoliate the scalp. Also, we use a special comb to loosen the scalp. So once the shampoo is done, 2 good shampoos, it will relieve it. So what we're finding is that a lot of carbs, people who drink a lot of beer or too much sugar can cause this effect. So to cure dandruff, my belief, it starts within. But if you don't start with the external part, you could also face infection, which we've seen that, and that's a problem on its own. So sometimes what our products we do, we use a shampoo to strip the scalp, get rid of all the dandruff and the flakiness, but we also use a hair serum to stimulate the follicles, nourish the scalp and the follicles to give it back its nutrients. To do all this is fantastic, but I think you as a client have to also do your part, is to help yourself within. Healthy living is a reflection to healthy hair. Hope this was a good tip.